Loved him so much.
Treating physician for Mr. Depp, and then later for Miss Heard.
And they're having fun. Hey, Ben, look at her. No, he's not looking at her.
So Dr. Bonnie Jacobs.
No. I know exactly he wasn't looking at Amber because I saw yesterday that in the court, Amber said that Johnny will never look at her eyes ever again because he told her that. He said, "You will never see my eyes again." And that's why he constantly looks down, and he has glasses when she's on the stand. And she said also that she looked at him, but he never looked at her back. Imagine how much he's like mad at her that he said, "You will never ever see my eyes again looking at you." Like he's legit that mad that he's not looking at her ever in his life.
Was Miss Heard's therapist. And
what an honorable
my
man,
recollection
honestly.
with my notes, Your Honor.
She's allowed to
For the
consult
dates,
the notes.
if you'd like me to tell the dates.
If she's asking me a question,
You're right, Your Honor. Yes.
May I?
His lawyer's like, "What in the hell?" And Amber's lawyers are like, "Okay. What is going on, man? He's dead. He's laughing in the
after
court.
all that month of not seeing each other, not getting better, not getting clean and sober, there wasn't even, I didn't, you know, the
I don't know. Tell me again. You know.
It was. It was falling apart. I knew I had to leave him. I knew I wouldn't survive it.
Another day. Why did you file for divorce?
This is so real.
Because I knew if I didn't, I'd likely not literally survive.
Not be for real. Oh my God, you for real? No, you for fake. No, you for real. You lying.
Yep, she is.
I wouldn't have done anything. But I couldn't do that one thing. I couldn't stay. The promise and the hope that I had become less and less regular and more rare. The monster had been this thing that was now the normal and not the exception. The violence was now normal and not the exception.
Why is he speaking like this?
It was so hard. It was so hard, but I knew I had to do it. I believe he would have taken it too far.
Okay.
I wouldn't be here.
Why did you ask for a domestic violence temporary restraining order?
I wanted to change my lives.
Oh my God! What are those expressions? His legal team stood up when he arrived. Good morning, fam. Hello, Benjamin. You look so great today. I'm so proud of you, bro. Come on, we got this. Sitting down at the same time, they're smiling and laughing.
Bruh.
He hasn't even arrived yet. Oh no. Amber Heard's arrived.
Okay.
Oh no. Hey, show me! Did they do anything? Who's that?
Have a good one.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Boo! Did you hear that? Boo! It has music playing? Jamaican music playing! Let's go! He's chilling. Crazy. Crazy.
are relatives. All
sure.
relatives.
Sure. all relatives.
Thank you.
Sure.
Amber,
He's eating
when did
candy?
the first act of physical violence by Mr. Depp occur?
Objection asked and answered.
I'm about to beat this bitch up.
Overruled. Good.
That would have been early 2012.
And how did you determine this?
I reviewed my therapist's
Objection,
notes.
hearsay.
How do you remember
For real?
the first act of violence?
Well, you never forget it. That's how I remember it. It changes your life forever. You never forget the first time someone hits you like that. I just had the date wrong.
Now, what if anything?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. She got the dates wrong, but she never forgets
The first
it.
time someone hits you like that. I just had the date wrong.
Now, what if anything did Mr. Depp
Okay.
say to you or ask you about how you got those cuts on your arms?
Nothing.
What if anything has did you ever
Always looking at the jury.
witness Mr. Depp self-injuring himself?
Often. He did that often.
Please tell the jury about that. What did he do?
He often, in fights, would cut his arms or hold a knife to his chest or draw blood superficially at first, but later, like in 2016, especially as our relationship was ending. He also put cigarettes out on himself.
No.
427:55. I'd like to move the admission, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, 345A and F.
Whoever's gonna pour you one.
I'm an alcoholic. You should.
Why?
And that you punched me in the fucking.
The only thing she's
thing.
sad
You
about
hit me
is
in
the amount
face.
of money
And you
she's
said,
gonna lose
"No,
because of
fuck,
this.
No, I didn't. What the fuck are you talking about?
I'm sorry that I didn't
You,
hit
punched
you
me.
across the face in a proper slap, but I was hitting you. It was not punching you. Babe, you're not punched.
We're back at this pledge donation kind of dictionary. I pledged, I donated, which is totally two different things. And now is hitting and punching that are totally two different things, but in reality they're not. Both of them hurt. You hurt him. You intentionally did something to hurt him.
Don't tell me what it feels like to be punched.
You're fine. I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you.
Oh,
That's the difference
you
between
poor
me
girl.
and you. You're a fucking baby.
Because you start
You
physical
are
fights.
such a baby.
Because
Grow
you-
the fuck up.
Because you start
Johnny.
physical.
Amber, please explain to the jury what's transpiring in that audio recording, what that's about.
Where I'm talking about hitting him, I am talking about what that conversation is about the disparity. The disparity between Johnny and I in our physical fights. The disparity of how he would proactively punch me and I would have to resort to reactively hitting him. I am talking about the difference between a punch, which Johnny did often, and me having to hit him in my defense.
No, I'm worse than that, honey. I'm way worse
I put
than
on
that.
a face, and we finished the evening with the guests, and then more fighting happened afterwards.
So we talked about December 15.
Oh, yeah, she's not gonna be in Aquaman 2.
15, I believe. Could you just please tell the jury what
Bye-bye.
this depicts?
Yes, it's a picture of my bruised temple, and Johnny.
And this is from February 10, 2016. And I'm going to ask you to play it, Michelle.
I hate this. I hate this one. What a meanie. Like the guy is drunk, he's mad, he lost. I think somebody died or he lost a lot of money. Something happened really bad to him that morning. I was mad like this so many times. I would hit the door behind me, slap it as much as possible. I would take my phone and literally throw it.
Something
Like,
happened to you. morning?
And I wasn't even drunk.
So.
No, that's the thing.
You want to see crazy? I'll give you fucking crazy. What's crazy? Oh, you're crazy. Oh, you're crazy.
Have you drunk this whole thing this morning?
Oh, you got this going. You got this going?
Megapie.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? Love his accent. And of course,
You were
the smirk.
smashing shit.
And she's laughing now.
I was afraid. It was scary.
No, no, honey, you were laughing.
Scary. Scared. Scared they wouldn't remember.
Objection calls for speculation.
Not sustained.
He didn't throw the phone. She took it. She took it out from wherever he threw it. Wait, what was that?
$701.
She legit put her finger in her eye to make tears, and then she realized, because her eyes are so freaking dry, it hurts so much. She wiped her eyeball. She doesn't know how to act as a human. Is she alien? She's alien. She doesn't know how humans wipe their tears. Even if they're imaginary tears, you don't.
Was shown to Haddon only, and that was Exhibit 30 in his deposition.
Under oath, that statement wasn't true, was it, Miss Heard?
Listen,
I'm sorry, I don't follow your question. Sorry.
Facebook woman. Bruh.
You testified under oath, quote, the entirety of my divorce settlement was donated to charity, end quote. That statement wasn't true.
It is true. I pledged the entirety to charity.
Oh, wait, this is the best moment. The end of this video is the best moment ever. This is what I was telling Pledge Donation. Look at this.
The statement...
When you say you buy a house, you don't pay for the entire house.
Miss Heard it here today, is it?
It is true. I pledged the entirety.
But you didn't donate it.
Unfortunately,
You didn't donate it. It's a yes or no.
I haven't been able to to fulfill those
So that's a no, right,
obligations.
Miss Heard?
I made the pledge. I want to be very clear. I pledged the entirety. I haven't been able to fulfill those pledges because I've been sued.
You had all of the $7 million for 13 months before Mr. Depp sued you, and you chose not to pay it to the charities you pledged it to. Is that correct, Ms.
I
Heard?
disagree with your characterization of that.
What you do have, Ms. Heard, are pictures of Mr. Depp sleeping, though, right? The jury saw a lot of those.
Yes,
You took this photograph, right, Ms. Heard?
that's correct.
So you decided to take a picture of Mr. Depp asleep on the floor?
He was passed out.
You took this picture as well.
Yes.
And this is a picture of Mr. Depp taking a nap on his tropical island?
I believe he was on the nod, but as he would say.
As he would
Sleeping
say.
on the nod on his island?
They're very different, in my opinion.
You also took this picture, right, Ms. Heard?
That's correct. I did.
And this is another picture of Mr. Depp
Old people
asleep in a
like
chair.
this.
No, he was nodding off. Sleep is different. When you're nodding off, you're high on drugs. Didn't even feel the cigarette in his hand that had, been burning
Nodding
on his
off?
leg. It was
People
cause
nod
for
off all
alarm
the time.
For me,
Only people on
naturally.
drugs nod off?
It's your testimony under oath that Mr. Depp is holding a cigarette in this picture?
He had been.
What's not clicking?
Where is that? Hey. Like in evidence, she's saying he was holding, literally Amber would not take the chance away of him holding a cigarette. She did the same with the ice cream and she left the ice cream there. She would have left the cigarette as a proof to make it even more really reliable that he has a problem. It was there. It was there. She took it away and then she took the picture.
Clicking.
Doesn't really look like anyone's been doing cocaine off that table, does it?
With all due respect, I'm not sure you know how that works.
Exactly, Shane. Oh my god, like the table is so clean, everything is fine, and like she's saying that's the mess of a table, bro. It looks so staged. Like you can see staged things and you can see that things are taken out of the context.